Good morning, mate. Today we are at a demolition derby. This is Allie and this is our car. We're going to be putting our sponsors on the side here, and I'm hopefully not they die. Not they die. She did a lovely paint job.
We're recording. Get in. Alright, don't start her just yet. Wait till they call your... We're going.
So that was a lot of fun. Way too much fun. Yeah, I got to drive a second car because, yeah, someone failed the show, so I got to drive 2 cars. This video is not a sponsored video, but this event, my car was sponsored by 3 companies. Me, Marcus Schneider, being the good guy, donated $1,500 for this event. Yeah, I've donated $1,500. Then as well as I will have to thank you to Schneider Septic over at Grand Beach, Manitoba. They donated $500 for this event. And then there's Panache, my modeling agency. They're great modeling and talent agency in Manitoba and all over Canada and starting in the US. They're a great modeling agency. Thank you, Panache, for donating $500 as well. This is a lot of fun. In total we donated $2,500. $2,500. That is amazing. Thank you very much for donating this much. Oh my God, Allie! I think we hit someone with the car.
What?
We are okay. That's awesome. Oh my God, this dude, they just cleared out so fast.
Whoa.
Oh, that's not a fun bump. Was at the beginning of the day, not anymore.